Hi Edward, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and thank you very much for your good question. It's about oil. You're asking me if you have to buy an oil from BRP, that the whole change kit will cost you $104. Or you can go to Walmart and you can buy a fully synthetic oil there. So my first answer is about the Walmart. Okay, I'm not living in the US, I've been living there, but let's say Walmart is the same as Tesco here. And I can tell you that there is nothing that will go either on my car, that is elder car, or definitely not on my bike from Tesco. So nothing will go, if I'll be living in the US, nothing will go from Walmart on my motorbike, just because of my personal feeling. Now, in case you would like to save a little bit of money, there are, like, from the oil point of view, what I will be doing, and I'm not doing any promo to La Monster, but he deserves the credit. He has a good oil. He has oil from Spectro. He's not blending it by himself, but all credit to this. It's a good oil. It's very good quality oil, and the kit will cost you $86 or something like that. So I'll be not even thinking about Walmart, because $86 for the full oil for 1330 engines, or for the full kit with oil with the rubber rings and stuff like that. It's just a great deal, and I'm pretty sure he has a drain plug and whatever. So no Walmart, please. Now, from because I'm living in Europe, my buddy Daniel has given me a tip to go for AmSoil. It's 10W40, and definitely I will be putting that oil to the beast for the summertime, because I have heard just good comments about it. It's a high performance oil, and maybe you can find it in the US as well. It's your call. Now, the other aspect of all of this about the oil, it's about the warranty. You have 2015 bike, so I believe you have no warranty there, but for whoever is watching, La Monster is writing, or has his own on a page, that it will not affect, using his oil will not affect the warranty, which is very true. I believe, like in the US, if you will go to the court, you will win, because you have certain rules there. There are different rules in Europe. You need to follow whatever dealer tells you, or basically importer tells you, and mostly they will tell you to change the oil within them, because you will be simply not going with them to the court, and probably in Europe you will lose. In America you will probably win, but who wants to bother with this, right? So definitely check first with your dealer or with your service. However, it should definitely not break your warranty or whatever. Guys, in case you have any questions, feel free to write them into martinthevlogger.com/forum. There's a Q&A with Martin, and I will be more than happy to reply. In case you guys are not subscribers, have a look around my channel, subscribe to it, and have the notifications on, because Q&A, crazy riding, upgrades, whatever, always here. And now, change your oil, don't go to the Walmart, and remember, always have fun.